So for today, I will be teaching you on how to redeem points or rewards from TM or Globe. So just simply go to the dial sign and then click asterisk 143 number sign and then click the SIM, the TM SIM or Globe SIM. Then after that, let us wait for the page to load and then kindly write or type number 9 for rewards. So click 9 and then you will have the options here. So click or type number 3 to redeem rewards, and then after that you will see this option. Just type 1 for telco products, and then you will see the different options or the rewards. So for example, you are going to choose number 1, only call TM. So click number 1. So you will read the description. You may read the description. So here, in order to redeem this reward, you need 3 points. So if you have 3 points, you can redeem this. So in order to redeem that, just simply write number 1 or type number 1, then send, and then type number 2 to redeem it. So if your points is enough to redeem this, you will be receiving a text from TM or Globe that you successfully redeem it. But if your points is not enough, you will still receive a text from TM or Globe telling that your points is not enough to redeem that reward. So that's it for today.